Hello, this is Team 4. This is Scott Dunning, and talk about our sprint goal for Sprint 6. It is to add functionality to stable Blockly as well as UI and performance improvements and begin documentation for Dash Robotic.
Good. All right, so we've also made some UI enhancements here to add some consistency. We've added the header title buttons to be changed. In addition to that, we've also added the 2 modes menu. This will be the middle menu once the robot is connected. In addition to that, we've added a degree of responsive web design to the site. Currently still in progress, but it will reduce the size. Let me get over to the joystick here, or you want to do it on home here. Let's see. It'll expand. And so this will help a little bit with the smaller resolution screens of Chromebooks. And then we're still working towards other smaller resolutions as well. In addition to that, we've overhauled the design and added a control panel to the right for the joystick and WSAD keys. We've added the power slider functioning on both joystick and keyboard. So if we do this, it'll slowly move, and if we increase the speed, it'll go real fast. The color buttons are also toggleable, so you can do different combinations to get different colors, so like cyan, and then yellow, and so forth, and you can turn off the bot, so that's pretty cool. Do that, and then finally, we've also implemented the disco and cowboy features, so for this, turn up your speakers.
So right before the last video, we figured out the structure that we're gonna need to have in order to have these blocks run in order and not interrupt with each other. So since the last video, we've created, we had to add sort of custom functionality to each of these blocks. So each of these blocks are ones that we made individually and aren't any part of the Blockly core code. And so we did that with all the Blockly core blocks. We also have some conditional blocks and a looping block. We're looking to add more in the future. And can't really display anything right now, but Andrew sent us over the math to figure out the gyro accelerometer raw values that we were getting back. So we're gonna be using that to implement other features like if the bot's upside down, perform this and such. And then we also have some dance blocks down here, similar to what you just saw, but now you can add it in as a block. And then additionally, there are, on our movement blocks, there's now a little drop down here where you can choose the speed, so you can move forward slow, medium, and fast. And then also there are these sound blocks here that will perform different sounds provided to us by Dash Robotics.